Hey guys, so today I thought I'd do a unboxing setup and review of this Kinecit Raspberry Pi 4 starter kit. The specs are, it has a 32 gigabyte Evo Plus, maybe that's like an SSD or something. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a premium black case. My mom got this for me for my 15th birthday, which is today, May 4th, 2021, just because I decided to upload this later, but I'll probably upload it today. Yeah, so I actually had like a Raspberry Pi. It was like a Raspberry Pi 3. Maybe I got it for like Christmas or something, and I didn't really understand it, and then I eventually got it to work after a while, and yeah. So, yeah. So first we have a Read Me First card. See there, hopefully that's straight enough. Also, I'm using my new ring light that I got also for my birthday. There's the box for it. You can see I have it on my tripod. There we go. Got it back on. Yeah, I got that. Dear Van Caution, thank you for your purchase. Even though I did not purchase this, my mom did. You can see the reflection of the ring light. There it is right there. Got a HDMI cable, which is nice, I guess, even though I've got one of my own. Looks like we got tape to my power supply box. Got some heat sinks, looks like it. I'm gonna have to apply those. Got the power supply, it feels heavy. Made in China. Pretty. There's the adapter. The cable says that's a beefy cable. Not really beefy, but it's a big cable. Kind of a short cable, but oh well. So there's the power supply. I'll put those in when I'm done. Okay, what have we got here? Looks like we got a little fan. maybe to cool off the Raspberry Pi when it gets cold. We have it looks like a USB-C adapter. Oh, it's a switch. So I guess I plug that power supply into that and then plug the, that's cool. That turns it on or off. That's cool. Got a cap on that. I remove that. Should I keep? So yeah, there's that. What is this? Important note: this pre-programmed 32. Oh, it's an SD card. It appears 1 GB when it's inserted as this pre-partition. Blah blah blah. Okay, so that's the SD card that I have to put in. This is the Raspberry Pi itself. Go ahead and open it. I think I'm opening this the right way. Or am I not? I just completely ripped the box there, but oh well. Yeah, it looks a bit different. Got USB-C power, 2 ports, one is HDMI, got some USB 2.0, USB 3, Ethernet. Nice. We have some information. Safety and user guide. Bunch of instructions. Raspberry Pi Model 4B, 4 gigabytes of RAM. You have this card reader is used on your PC or Mac if you install Reload Noobs. I don't think I'll need that, but I'll keep it. This is the case. This looks remarkably similar to my two HDMIs. Very similar to my one for my other Raspberry Pi, which I don't know where the heck it went. I guess maybe I should. Oh well. I should probably read the instructions. That would probably be a good idea, wouldn't it? So again, this is what comes in a box. The Raspberry Pi, a fan, a couple of heat sinks for the chips. This is an HDMI cable. It looks like it's a custom one. That is the, it's HDMI micro, I think. I do actually own this adapter, which goes from either micro or mini to regular HDMI, so I can use that with this if I wanted to. We got the case, got the 32GB Samsung SD card, micro SD, got a power thing, and you got the power supply and instructions. And you got this thing if you want to plug the SD card into your computer. And I have to go to the bathroom.